Welcome to all my dears. Let me try to explain with the burning nature of our patient. Whatever may be the complaint, you can see a great burning. There is burning in stomach, burning in throat, burning sensation in mucous membrane. Along with the burning, there is very severe lancinating pain is with burning. So, burning with a lancinating pain. Is a great characteristic of our arsenic alb. And next about the thirstiness. Our whatever may be the PC, our arsenic patient will have a great thirstiness or a thirsty, king of thirsty, you can say. The thirstiness is for great thirst for cold water, drinks often but very little at a time. That is one of the important characteristic of our arsal. Then next about the prostration. As you know, there is great prostration with a rapid sinking of vital force. That is mentioned in our Allen's note. Here, the prostration or exhaustion that can be seen even in least or slight exertion, or a slight work, slight physical work immediately leads to the patient become very tired. So, immediately after having a simple work, our patient will have great prostration. That is why he is not having that much power or health, and the patient may not feel the prostration, especially when our patient lies still. He may not feel any prostration, but as soon as he wants to move or when he moves, he is surprised that to find himself so weak. He wants to move always, but due to the physical inability, he wants to lie down, and at that time he will not feel any problem. But if he physically moves, then he is surprised, oh, how much I am very tired. So that is the expression of our patient with arsenic alb. And next about the periodicity. Here, mostly with the GIT or fever or any other complaint, periodicity is very well marked in arsenic alb, and mostly the complaints returns every day or every third day or every fourth day or fortnights or 6 weeks or 1 year, something like that. So, periodicity is well marked in, if your patient is having a periodicity with the above mentioned symptom, arsal can be indicated. Next about the acridity. Stomach is very irritable due to the acid regurgitation or acidity of the stomach is there. Vomits everything what he taken, and the vomitous material usually very putrid also. The red line symptom of putridity. Very pungent or very putrid or very offensive. Putridity of stool, putridity of urine, putridity of menstrual flow, putridity of putrid leukorrhea or uterine discharges, etc. That means all of the or most of the discharges of arsenic alb is very putrid. And next about the bleeding. You can see there is great bleeding or bleeding very easily and bleeding from every mucous membrane. Blood that discharges may be very bright red or it may be black. You can see in ulcerative colitis the bright red blood, especially in proctitis, or when the ulcerative colitis that affects the or limits the rectum, then there is bright red blood, and when the bleeding occurs in the upper GIT, you can see black tarry stool or a black vomiting. Then immediately after having cold fluids or cold water intake, cold fluids are omitted immediately, so the patient dares not to drink. And least food or drink soon causes distress or vomiting, and he wants to defecate or wants to defecate and vomiting or both together. That is why ARS is considered as the best homeopathic medicine, especially in ulcerative colitis with anxiety and restlessness. And ARS is only indicated in patient with some typical mental symptom. And along with the physical symptom, if your patient is not having any mental symptom, ARSALB is not indicated. That means mental calmness contraindicate arsenical, and I think that can be studied in next class. Please wait.